Going on, Jets? It's another day, another trade. I'm going to give a quick trade recap on NQ. It's a trade that I took pre-market open and then held it for like 4 to 5 minutes during market open. So, yeah, let me take you through it, man. It was a really, really good trade. So, going into the day, was I bullish? Yeah, I was bullish for the day. I was pretty bullish, I'm not going to lie. But at the same time, I was bearish. So, I was neutral, but I was leaning more towards buys on NQ. So going into the day, my thought process was really simple. I marked out the previous day high. That's the first thing I did, the previous day high. And the previous day low. Well, let me adjust this first. Yeah, that's the high, and then that's the previous day low right there. After doing that, did I go on the hourly time frame? Yeah, I went on the hourly time frame. And I marked out my lows. And lows that I marked out were session lows. Keep that in mind, please. So the session low that I had this low right here. I think it was London. I'm not really sure what these sessions lows, which session had these lows, but they were session lows. That's what I'll tell you. Secondly, I had this low right here. Oh, that looks like Asian lows. And then we also had these lows right here. There were previous days New York lows, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, those were the lows that I highlighted. And you can see that we have this bullish fair value gap right here, right? This bullish fair value gap as well right there. And we also have another bullish fair value gap right here, right? But yeah, keep those fair value gaps in mind. No problem, Jets. So I went on the 5-minute time frame, I think. Pre-market open, we had news that came out, right? So we had swept the previous day's high, and we went to swap the London, the Asian session lows. That's what we swept. Then after we swept these session lows, I was long. I took my longs upon the inversion fair value gap that's on the 1-minute time frame, which is right here. When I saw that inversion fair value gap right there, I went long immediately right here. Then you can see we played around for a bit, and then my stops were like just below that confluence, that PDRA, which is an inversion fair value gap on the 1 minute. That was my confluence for entering the trade and the liquidity that I used for sessions, and not forgetting the hourly busy. And my initial TP was, well, my TP, it was 90 pips, I think, which is this high right here that we had made, I think. Let me check what time. Maybe London-ish. Yeah, we had made that high right there. And then also we had data highs, not data highs. Are they data highs? I don't know. News highs, which were like just move up, move down right here. And those were liquidity pools that I looked at as my TP areas. And that's it from me today. Those are the trades that I fucking took. Well, sorry for swearing, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Should I take a trade? Beautiful day, beautiful trade. It was a 1 to 9 or 1 to 8 something. Yeah, 1 to 9. So really, really good one, man.